Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to stake cryptocurrency using Ace Wallet. Ace Wallet does not currently have a built-in feature for staking cryptocurrency directly within the application. However, you can still stake your cryptocurrency by using following methods. Transfer to a staking platform. While Ace Wallet itself doesn't support staking, you can transfer your crypto asset to an external platform that does. Common staking platforms include exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and dedicated staking services like Kraken or Stakebase. Open your Ace Wallet and select the cryptocurrency you want to stake. Tap on Send and enter the receiving address there. Some blockchains like ADA, DOD, XTZ allow users to delegate their coins to staking pools without needing a specific staking platform. To do this, you will need to send your token from Ace Wallet to a wallet that supports delegation. For some cryptocurrency, decentralized finance platforms support staking, yield farming, or liquidity staking. Examples are Aave Compound or Uniswap. If you use a Ledger or Trezor hardware wallet, this wallet supports staking for certain cryptocurrency. You can transfer your fund from Ace Wallet to this hardware wallet and stake your cryptocurrency directly from there. Some final notes are, before transferring funds, ensure that the staking platform you choose supports the cryptocurrency you want to stake. Staking rewards, fee, and lock-up periods vary between platforms, so make sure to review the terms before proceeding. For now, you will need to rely on external wallet or platform to stake your cryptocurrency while using Ace Wallet for secure storage. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.